Roses are red, violets are blue. Stop fucking with that dude who can't even make the move. Come on. Alright, bestie, I'm gonna do a collective flow vibe check. Period. But you heard. Like, what the fuck? So, what's going on? What? Come on now. There's conflict within his mental. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Alright. So clearly, there has been going like some type of like self-sabotage behavior going on for you. Clearly, there's just some type of abuse mentally or physically. Are you okay, bestie? Like, fuck. Like, there's so much confliction going on. There's so much just lack of communication. You know, like, he is just not making the move, and that's just making you feel like, what if? Like, like, you know, it's making you feel depressed. It's just not serving you the foundation that you need to, like, fill that emotional, you know, foundation that you need, you know? But bestie, why are you forgetting the possibilities? You know you are the world. You know you can attract what you put out as long as you keep your head straight, bestie. Like, come on. Don't let him or her dictate your future. Life is too short for that. You got this. Like,